Something about me ambition, keep me on the money mission. Believe na me G's, me believe na the vision. And when me 30 mil me fi sit down, I just me ambition. Ambition, keep me on the money mission. Something about me ambition, ambition. Yo, hustle every day, me no waste time.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Friday. I am going to run to pop in right quick, and I figured why not make this a vlog for you guys. I wanted to get a forward heel look, so I wanted to pierce right here, but I think I might pierce it twice, like one stud here and like a loop here. I just want something kind of different. And I also might pierce my belly button because I've been thinking about it for the longest time. So basically we're just gonna be going to Kingston. Y'all already know. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, and also thumbs up this video because it's about to be lit. Alright, so my car has been shutting off on me, right? Just randomly. Oop, we're out, we're dead, we're done. And I low-key have anxiety that I might end up going on the road and the car shuts off on me. However, today I am feeling uber brave, so we're gonna see if anything happens. And I am loving these short nails, guys. Like, I just feel like long not do it sometime. Like, it's giving me galaxy vibes. I love it.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Okay guys, we made it. Betsy made it. Yo, just shit crazy. So I lost one of the legs of my tripod to this journey. Ja. But anyways, let's go get pierced.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you name full and belly. What you see them tell them? Step on William, without a gun, it's one of them go Jesus, slip us. Say it on foot, what you say? See them things on them feet, up road and shoot you. I do not use them.
it have to go hold me because what I wanted I couldn't get. The ears them too tiny, so it have to go hold me. That's fine.
Yo! Day and night, daddy, me day and night.
So papi, you see when it pour, I would have want, you see the eyes.
Yeah, I see it. Alright.
Yeah.
So even when with this off, that's how it is same mechanism?
Yeah. Because literally you can feel the gap right here, so the muscles them separate.
Yeah, you work out?
Yeah.
You work out?
Yeah. So now I can work out while this heel or...
But why come around like this?
You know, it's always been that way. But that's why I know when it works, not going to look abnormal.
It probably not going to look down in there.
As in, you know, can see? Alright, here's my thing. But I just kind of want to break the space. Can you see this? People see this and people are like, have you had a surgery? No, I have not. It's just because the most of it gone back. So, if you make, I kind of want something to make it look normal, like, instead of look weird.
Going on, right. You go every day?
I'm not consistent now.
You try to do one thing and I can't do it.
Yep. Work, I'm not do that.
Well, I mean...
Do you have anything that dangles? Alright.
I don't know if it's in that right now, man.
So go and brace with this.
Come on, and come at them side and then I can't...
That's not happening. That's not happening. I know from the last time you see me, I'm going to come back at all. That was so long ago. I'm going to come at all. Yeah. I'm going to come at all fast. I'm going to come at all. Alright guys, so I am back in the car. So this is the piercing that I just did. I also did my belly button. Did it hurt? To be honest, my pain threshold is pretty high, so it didn't hurt really. It was just a little bit of discomfort. But yeah, this isn't the piercing that I wanted to do. What I wanted to do was a forward helix right here. But he says my earlobe, like my space on my ear right here is too small and it wouldn't work. So I'm very sad about that. He said people with small spaces have tried it before, but he's not trusting how it would heal. If the professional is gonna tell me that he doesn't trust how it's gonna heal, then I'm going to leave it the hell alone. So I didn't do it. But I mean, I had to get something, so I got this. And I think I'm okay with it. What I do want to do is change the ring in it, but you know, we'll cross that bridge when we get there. All right, so now I'm gonna go to Cherry's to get some hair. I just need 2 packs of African bulk for an order that I have. Yeah, and then I'm gonna go home. Guys, this is a terrible vlog. That's because all my stops have been very quick. I honestly don't even get the time to take my phone out. But I am at the toll booth, going back to Clarendon. And then I'm gonna go to the supermarket and get some hot dog bread because Marla says she wants hot dogs for dinner. Hi.
Take care now.
Yeah, man, I will. Thanks. Bye. What is up? Today is one of those random days where I really don't know what I'm finna do. Don't know what I'm finna do, but I do know that I'm finna do something. All right, I just dropped Marla off at my cousin's house because I'm telling you, it's summer and she has been asking me for somebody to play with and I can't help her. But I really hope you guys are having a good summer. I have not been doing the best at filming, but today shall be vlogging for you guys. Alright, so today is Friday. Y'all know on Fridays I chill. I've been wanting to go get me a jelly for the longest time, guys. Like literally, it's a really nice day out. So today I was supposed to take my car to the mechanic and to the electrician, but my electrician just hit me up and told me that his girlfriend went into labor, and I'm so happy for him. I decided since they're both the same place, I'm just going to wait. I'll just wait until he's available so I can do them both at the same time. And I really wanted to visit LS Dress for Less today. And they're actually right around the corner from me. I wanted to do a little haul, okay? But I just figured I would do it like a vlog and then feature the outfits in a different video. So yeah, I might just leave the car here and go check them out right quick and see what they have, buy a couple pieces and do a haul for you guys. Let's see. Shopping, went into LS Dress for Less, and I spent $5,000, and I am going to show you guys all the stuff I got. Like, bro, we ain't know about bun, we ain't know about spicy bun, girl. I do not know what to do next. I really want to go to the fruits man. I know Marla must be having the time of her life playing with her cousins. So, I don't know.
Disaster music.
Lebanon. Disaster. In Washington State, one way though, yeah. Continue to lie to yourself, baby girl, just stop the crying, it no nice hell. See a post and caption happy, but a lie you a tell. No, you can't find me in nobody else, but you're right, you're not the worst. Me done your dirt, you love my girl, you don't deserve that. That's why me tell you, nah go work out, cause you have little light, now mess you well up, and my life too dark, this ain't no circus, everything low key, nothing ever turn up. Yeah, we coulda turn out. Take a look in at the mirror, know your picture perfect. Memories of us still there, cause you no desert them. Baby girl, just let it go because it not go worth it. And my son get me out on a bitch now. Sorry, forgive me for the cursing. Forget me call you bitch because you forget some of the worst things. Now me see working. You are better if we speak of things now. It seem you acting like you're happy, but you're living a cheap.
When I tell you I've been trying to buy this damn jelly for like a week, never made it out here. But salute. Jaja. Me tell you say, the air nature out there is like so refreshing. This one spot, like the shade of the tree, everything hella peaceful, bro. Like so peaceful. I'm gonna put a hammock out here so and sit right out here. It's crazy. I'm gonna, when I go back outside, I'm gonna show you guys. Alright, so I got my jelly chopped, guys. I'm gonna eat it. That's what you gotta do. Take off a spoon. And do your thing. For anyone who's never seen jelly meat, it's hot in this beef. Get rid of these.
Start me the pan both seat melan na man. The pan seat melan.
Guys, that was uber refreshing, bro. Alright, so that's what it looks like outside, guys. I am gonna make my way home now. I think it's been a very eventful morning for me. I'm gonna go home and watch some TV and see if I can juggle some editing in the meanwhile, and also see if I can make some dinner. I'm trying to contemplate what to make tonight. It's Friday. Usually on a Friday we would eat out, but I'm not like 100% sure what I'm gonna do.